Welcome to tomorrow's classrooms today. In this video, we will explore one of the most straightforward yet most vital punctuation marks, the full stop. Through real examples and engaging tasks, we will move from understanding what a full stop is to mastering its use in writing. Here's what we aim to achieve today. Our objectives will follow Bloom's taxonomy, where we will understand the purpose and correct usage of full stops by defining them, identifying their function, applying them accurately in writing, correcting punctuation errors, evaluating their effectiveness, and composing well-punctuated paragraphs. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to demonstrate a clear understanding of full stops by defining their purpose, identifying appropriate usage, applying them accurately in text, correcting punctuation errors, reflecting on their effectiveness, and writing well-punctuated paragraphs. Let's start with the basics. A full stop tells the reader the thought is finished. It's a small detail with a significant impact. It provides a structure to our writing. Full stops help prevent that breathless, confusing kind of writing. When we use full stops correctly, it becomes a readable and natural text. Use a full stop when the sentence is a statement, not a question or an exclamation. Use full stops to end sentences that stand alone as complete thoughts. They are also used in some abbreviations, although style guides vary slightly. While traditionally abbreviations like doctor, etc. took full stops, many modern style guides drop them, especially in academic or journalistic contexts. Choose a style and be consistent. Common mistakes include run-on sentences, comma splices, and incorrect use of punctuation in formal writing. For example, using a comma instead of a full stop. Decide which groups of words are complete sentences and deserve a full stop and which are not. This exercise helps you distinguish complete ideas from fragments. Only complete thoughts get a full stop. Compare your findings with the answer key. Try these 3 mini tasks on your own. Check your answers carefully for both punctuation and capitalization. Rewriting using proper punctuation. This task reinforces 2 key skills, sentence punctuation and capitalization. Check your answers carefully for both punctuation and capitalization. Spotting the missing full stops. Where would you insert full stops to make this paragraph clearer and grammatically correct? Compare your findings with the answer key. J.C. Penico Inc. stands for James Cash Penny Company Incorporated and contains abbreviations with full stops. The full stop in 24.29 separates the whole dollar amount 24 from the cents 29. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer and is an abbreviation, an initialism, often omitting full stops. Within abbreviations, DR for doctor, PM for post-meridian time indicator, and LA for Los Angeles contain the full stops. Analyzing the use of full stops. In sentence 1, JR is an abbreviation for junior and ends with a full stop as is standard in American English. In British English, the full stop in junior is often omitted if the abbreviation ends with the last letter of the full word. In sentence 2, EG stands for exempli gratia, Latin for example, and is an abbreviation that correctly includes 2 full stops after E and G, followed by a comma, which is standard punctuation in formal writing. In sentence 3, vs is the abbreviated form of versus and includes a full stop in American English. In British English, the stop is often omitted. Vs or even just we in legal or sporting contexts. Analyzing the use of full stops. In sentence 1, the abbreviation that IE includes internal full stops because it is a Latin abbreviation for id est, that is. In sentence 2, ESL is an acronym formed from the initial letters of a phrase and is usually written without full stops. In sentence 3, the number 98.6 uses a decimal point, which is a full stop functioning as a decimal marker in numerals. Judging effectiveness. Version B is clearer due to proper sentence boundaries. Sometimes, fewer words with clearer punctuation can say more. To conclude, full stops are tiny but mighty. By practicing and integrating them across writing tasks, we become clearer and more confident communicators. Select a task appropriate to your level of understanding and demonstrate your knowledge of full stops. Thanks for joining this journey into the world of full stops. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment below with your questions and insights. Let's keep learning together.